Hey everyone, if you're looking for game-changing products that are flying off the shelves on Amazon, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 amazing gadgets that are making waves from smart home devices to cleaning hacks. These finds are simply too good to miss. Let's get started. One, the AMERLIFE 63. TV stand built-in mini refrigerator is the ultimate combination of functionality and style for your living room. This sleek entertainment center features a 22-can mini fridge with a glass door, allowing you to keep your drinks chilled while enjoying your favorite shows. The high glossy finish and LED lights add a modern touch to your space, while the ample storage space lets you organize your media essentials. Whether you're hosting a movie night or simply relaxing, this TV stand offers the perfect blend of convenience and elegance for your home. 2. The Joseph CleanForce Garlic Press is the perfect kitchen tool for garlic lovers. This innovative garlic press is designed with a trigger-operated wiper blade, making it easier than ever to press garlic and then clean the tool right away. No more messy garlic residue stuck in the press. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the handy cleaning tool allows for easy maintenance. With its sleek green design, this garlic press is not only functional, but also adds a pop of color to your kitchen. Whether you're making a flavorful stir-fry or garlic bread, this tool will save you time and effort. 3. The OMAIA 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser with sponge holder is a must-have smart kitchen gadget that brings both convenience and organization to your sink area. This clever design combines a dish soap dispenser and a sponge holder into one compact unit, saving space and reducing clutter on your countertop. It makes washing dishes easier by allowing you to dispense just the right amount of soap with a simple push, while the built-in sponge holder ensures your cleaning tools are always within reach and stay dry. Say goodbye to mess and hello to an organized, efficient kitchen setup with this innovative gadget. 4. The UNIVER M11 Electric Mason Jar. Vacuum sealer kit is the perfect solution for sealing your jars effortlessly. This vacuum sealer works seamlessly with both wide and regular mouth canning jars, keeping your food fresh for longer periods. Whether you're preserving jam sauces or dry goods, this easy-to-use sealer helps maintain the quality and flavor of your stored items. Simply attach it to your jars, press the button, and let the machine do the rest. It's an essential tool for anyone into food preservation or meal prepping, and it ensures your food stays airtight, secure, and free from spoilage. 5. The FivePiece. Flexible cutting boards are a must-have for every kitchen made from BPA-free plastic. These cutting mats provide a safe and durable surface for all your chopping needs. Whether you're slicing meat, chopping vegetables, or preparing fruits, these boards are designed to be non-slip, ensuring stability and safety while you work. Their flexible design allows for easy food transfer from the board to the pan or bowl, making meal prep a breeze. Lightweight and easy to clean, these cutting boards are perfect for Thanksgiving and everyday use, providing both convenience and hygiene in your kitchen. 6. The COLORCORAL Cleaning Gel is the ultimate solution for keeping your electronics spotless and free of dust. This versatile gel is designed to easily clean hard-to-reach areas like PC keyboards, car interiors, office equipment, and laptops. It effectively picks up dust, dirt, and crumbs, leaving your devices looking fresh and clean. Made with a non-toxic formula, the gel is safe to use on various surfaces without causing any damage. Whether for personal use or as a thoughtful gift for tech enthusiasts, this cleaning gel is an essential tool for maintaining your gadgets and creating a pristine workspace. 7. The MR.SIGA MultiPurpose Silicone Squeegee is the ultimate cleaning tool for your home and car. This heavy-duty squeegee is designed to handle a variety of surfaces, from windows and glass to shower doors and car windshields. Made with durable silicone, it effortlessly removes water and grime, leaving your surfaces spotless and streak-free. The 10-inch blade provides optimal coverage, while the included suction hook allows for convenient storage. Whether you're cleaning your bathroom or your car, this tool is built to last and make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. 8. The Smart Automatic Curtain Opener is a game changer for your home, offering convenience and innovation with just the push of a button. This advanced system allows you to effortlessly open and close your curtains using a remote control, enhancing your living space with both luxury and practicality. It features a high-performance curtain motor designed to work seamlessly with various track styles like Roman rod and T-shaped or U-shaped tracks. With its sleek, compact design, the smart curtain opener is perfect for modern homes looking to simplify daily tasks and make managing your window coverings a breeze. 9. The Lifewit Adjustable Drawer. Organizers are a game changer for anyone looking to declutter their space. These expandable drawer dividers help you organize your kitchen, bathroom, office, or any other area with ease. Made from durable, high-quality material, the dividers are designed to fit a wide range of drawer sizes and can be adjusted to your needs. With its sleek and modern design, it will not only keep your items in place, but also make your space look tidy and stylish. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a more organized home with the Lifewit Adjustable Drawer Organizers. 10. The JOYMOOP Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set is the ultimate cleaning solution for your floors. Designed for both wet and dry use, this hands-free flat floor mop ensures an effortless and efficient cleaning experience. The included 3 washable microfiber pads provide superior dirt removal and leave your floors spotless. With its innovative wringer system, you can clean without getting your hands dirty, making it perfect for quick and convenient floor maintenance. Whether you're dealing with spills, dust, or deep cleaning, this mop and bucket set is a must-have for maintaining a pristine home with minimal effort. Click on the description below the video to get the product link. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to receive more exciting product recommendations. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!